Another month, another ow channel, and today hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a very exciting video because another month, another Ipsy Glam bag. Yes, and this month there's a sticker on the outside that says caution, keep away from direct sunlight. So I'm very curious on what I got inside because they don't want it in the sun. So if you guys are curious onto what I got, then just let's go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so let's see what I got. I'm so excited. I should have opened this like beforehand. Ready? Are we ready, guys? What? Whoa, what a funky looking bag. Do you see it? It's like mesh material. It matches my nails, but what is this? I'm not sure if I'm vibing with it, but it's like a very mesh navy blue bag with like this bright neon stripe. Interesting. And what is up with the zipper? What? This is giving me like summer vibes, but it's like still winter. What's going on, Ipsy? Anyways, let's see. Ooh. Okay, so the first one, yes! I love getting like face masks. So this one is from Bio Republic Skincare, and it's a pomegranate crush illuminating fiber sheet mask. What even? Like, wow, that is so interesting. So that's fun to have. I love sheet masks, so thank you very much, Ipsy. Another one? Yo, last month I got 2 sheet masks and they were really good. So now I get another one. So this one's from the same brand and it's Aloe Rescue, and it's a revitalizing fiber sheet mask with vitamin E for all skin types. 2 sheet masks. 2. Yes. Yes. A plus. Love it. We got a Luna by Luna eyeshadow. Yes, eyeshadow. And it's in the color Juliet, and the packaging is so cool. Whoa. Look at her. It's like this navy blue packaging, and the color is a very nice baby pink shade. Let me swatch it. It matches my sweater. That's what it looks like. Ooh. Pretty. I should like try to put it on. Maybe like on the center of my lid. Let's try it. Okay. Oh, it's pink. It's really pigmented. Let me just blend. Ooh, look at this. This is a Orbi. I don't know how to. I think so. Orbi Gold Less Dry Shampoo, and look how cute this is. Look at her. So I guess this was the product that they didn't want in the sun since it's an aerosol. That is so cool. All right, let's check out the spray. What? Is it locked? How do I spray it? Do I have to like lift it up? What is going on? Oh my god, that was so strong. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. I would put it in my hair, but I just washed it. But it's a really strong spray, my lord. But this is from Orbi, so that's awesome. I love dry shampoo. This is so cute. All right, and then the last 2 things. Ooh. Ooh, which one should? Oh, okay, let's go with this one first. I'm so excited. This one is from the brand I don't know how to say the brand. Anyways, so this is a Punk volumized mascara, and I don't know the brand, but that is so cool. Let's put on some. I don't have mascara on right now, so we're gonna try it out. Oh my god, this one is actually really big. Whoa. Whoa there. You see that? Okay. Whoa. I'm impressed. Alright, so the brand is Deuces. I don't know, but it's their Punk Volume Mascara. I like it. I like. Okay. And the last thing, I'm really excited. It's from Ciati, London. Oh yeah, I dropped it. And it's a, I feel like it's a waterproof eyeliner. What is it? It is a Fierce Flicks. An eyeliner? I'm assuming it's eyeliner. Let me open it for you. Fierce Flicks eyeliner. So, looks like, so the tip looks like really nice, like felt tip. Oh wow, it's super pigmented. Hopefully it dries matte. I don't like shiny eyeliner, so let's see. Oh, it's so pigmented. What the heck? The felt tip is a little like harsh. It's not very smooth, but it's super black, so that's nice. It's not the smoothest eyeliner, but it's really black, so I like it, and it's matte, so not complaining there. But anyways, so this month I got 2 sheet masks, which I'm so stoked to use. A full-size eyeshadow, a full-size liquid eyeliner, and then a mini mascara, as well as this mini dry shampoo, which I'm so excited to try. So that's what I got this month. Very excited. If you guys want to subscribe to Ipsy, I'll leave the link down below. It's only $10 a month plus free shipping, and you get like bomb products. And if you guys like this video and all my other Ipsy Glam bag videos, then make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Bye. Please hold. I'm gluing my nail. Back to your scheduled program. What is it? Back to your weekly scheduled programming. Is it something like that, right? I'm such a dummy, I swear. Please hold. No! Oh no, I did not just drop the eyeliner on the ground, and now there's a black spot on the floor. I'm such a fail. Look at that, the eyeliner fell and it just... Oh, brothers. Why would you do this? Nobody can open this.